Why the Indian student struggle to speak this language and learning this language? Because in the school the most of the student has a English subject, but in the school the English subject is a merely subject, not a skill, not a language. This is a merely subject. Read and pass out the examinations and forget it all of the things about the English learning. This thing is a very bad in the India, that in the India the English language looks merely a subject in the Indian school. Like most of the time, read and write the English speaking, not a try to speak English language. That's why in the Indian school, in not only the English medium, but also the Hindi medium, both of the two things, both of the two schools, two category of the school, in the two category of the school, this same things is happened, that like and now is this thing, it's happening right now, this thing, because all of the school, all of the school, in the Indian school, the most of the English is a like a subject, not a language. Only this is a subject. Score 90 above and pass out the examinations, you are a genius. But if I tell you that please speak one sentence, can you speak one sentence? And then you totally freeze, you totally freeze, and you couldn't able to speak. You cannot speak this language, but you have scored 90 above. So why? What is the meaning that you are learning this language and you have scored 90 plus? This is a totally unwrong thing. This is a totally wrong thing, that you couldn't able to speak this language, but you have scored 90 above. Why? Because in the Indian schools, the English is a just a language, just a subject, not a language, just a subject. Pass out and score, and your time is out, your time is over to learn this language. You are alive your life and find the job. Not this is a not language, this is the only subject. Pass out this and live it. Why? Because in the Indian student struggle this problem, because in the English is a merely is a English has become a merely just a subject, not a language. That's why the Indian student will have to struggle, and Indian student has struggled to speak this language. So firstly, if you want to speak this language, so don't depend on the school. School only gives you that pass out this in the examinations, your paper is good, you have scored 90 plus, then you are good. But try to speak this language, understand the meaning of the English language, not a look that only this is a subject, and pass out and escape this language totally. And you have not to learn this language. No, this is the totally wrong thing, that you should learn this language, that practice day by day and speak like me. And this speaking give you fluency, give you confidence, and give you the most expensive skill, communication skill. This language give you communication skill. I know that this language's requirement is a communication skill. If you want to learn this language, and then gradually you are learning this language, then you felt that for the learn this language and speak very the beyond the boundaries. So communication skill is of so matter for learn this language, because you have a lot of the topics, you have a lot of the topics answer, you have a lot of the knowledge, then you are appreciate to speak long time, lot of the sentences, lot of the behavior, lot of the expressions, lot of the vocabularies you are able to speak. So that's why please build your communication skill. And let me share you that one thing, that try to think in English. And the in the most of the, and I want to share like the most of why the Indian student struggle the English because when the English teacher teach you, then only read the basic story, read the basic and understand to you that in Hindi. So how can any one person learn the this way, that read a book story and explain the Hindi meaning? No, this is a wrong way to learn this language. This is a, it means in the school the only purpose to pass out the examinations and more and more score very good like a 90 above. So this is the main perspective, this is the main goal to in the school. And if you want to speak this language, then you will have to become self dependent to speak this language, to learn this language. Then you will become a capable to speak this language. Otherwise nobody person can change your English speaking, and nobody person come to change for your English learning, and nobody persons come to understand you, can come to explain you that learn this language, this language is a very important in future, this is a very expensive, this is a that this is a looks like a skill, this is a become, this is, has become a status symbol. No matter what, you'll have to determine to learn this language, then you will become a capable to speak this language. And right now I'm able to speak this language, but sometimes I felt so many problems. Having said that, I'm trying to speak in the front of the camera. Okay, so try to speak this language. And in the school the most of the teachers the way is wrong to speak this language, to learn this language, only the purpose of the pay attention on the examinations. That's why the most of the students couldn't able to speak this language. But if in the school the one point is a add, would add, then the learning English is a become very simple for you. Every student can able to speak this language. Like try to speak in the school. If any sir madam can try to speak English language that time when you was in your class 10th, your class 12th, then if anyone persons did that learn this language and try to spoke this language, then you can easily understand so many things. And that time you would try to speak this language with your teacher, with your friends. Maybe this is a my point of view that in the school the one thing is a, the one thing should add, that learn English and try to speak English language with your friends, with your teachers. And teachers also try to speak English language with one students. Then students think that wow, English speaking is a good. And maybe in the school teacher should learn the what is the meaning of the English language and what is the importance of the English learning. Then students will pay attention to speak this language. Otherwise the student won't pay attention to speak this language. So this is all about the this thing, that why the in the India the most student struggle to speak this language. This is the main reason that in the school don't try to speak this language, only read and write. That's why this problem is come to you. Otherwise you are easily capable to speak this language. But this problem is a good, this problem is a very big, that in the school most of the time read and write, focus on the read and write, not speaking, try to speaking. Like one, but one thing like may I come in ma'am, if the school is a Hindi medium, English medium, no matter, may I come in ma'am, you can see that this sentence is a fixed everybody's student. And this thing thought it about think about it, that if literally if all if entire school, in the entire school try to speak English language, then easily this language would be learned. So this is my perspective like this, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll meet again next videos. See you soon.